Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use camera option or camera settings on Android, especially if you have OPPO A18. However, I'm using OPPO A92 right now, but more or less it's the same setting with the same brand of Android device. Let's start. So if you want to use your phone camera like a pro, you need to learn the settings. So here maybe this is the basic one. This is the night mode, video mode, photo or the portrait, and more like a slow-mo feature, time lapse or pro expert. You can use or you can set manually your phone like shutter speed, exposure, and ISO, panorama, and sticker. And also, in order to access these settings on your camera, see there is a like gear icon at the top corner of your screen. You can tap it, and here we go. This is the camera settings. Here you can turn off or you can adjust the volume button action. Like you can change it into the shutter one if you press the volume button action, or zoom it. And here, like fingerprint shooting, you can turn on. So if you want to take picture, just tap on your fingerprint. And also there is a shutter sound. Usually I turn this off. And also you can turn on location here to display location information in your photo or video details. And also this is the compositions. You can use this feature like level and grid to compose your photos better. So if you want to use like grid, you can create a balance like center your object. And also there is diagonal lines and golden spiral. So this is like the advanced mode. Okay, you can learn about the golden spiral line for your photo compositions. And also the video, there is only one option, is a grid. And let's get back. There is an advanced settings. You can use flip selfie, show dirty lens warning. Please turn this on. You can receive a prompt or notification when a stain is detected on the lens. And also you can enable quick launch gestures like double press either volume button to launch the camera when the screen is off. Quick share and edit is by default is on. And this is the shooting methods. So you can tap to on a frame to take your photo, or show palm. Show your palm to the front camera to take a photo. So you can turn this on to make it easier, easy to access. And here you can turn on like AI scene recognition and watermark itself. I usually turn this off, like photo model, date and time and location. I usually turn this off. And also for the video option, there is a video resolution that you can set. Maximum is 4K and the minimum is 720 pixel. Video encoding, leave it be. Let this device choose your best compatibility, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.